welcome to my YouTube channel Candid Chemistry. In this video lecture, I will teach about benzene in detail. Students, let us now talk about the substitution reactions of benzene. First, let us discuss the general pattern of reactivity of benzene towards electrophile. The highly stable delocalized electrons of benzene ring are not readily available for nucleophilic attack like the electrons of alkenes. Therefore, the electrons of benzene ring do not assist in attack of weak electrophile. It means the more powerful electrophiles are required to penetrate and break the continuous sheath of electronic cloud in benzene. That is, substitution of halogen in benzene requires iron or corresponding ferric halide as a catalyst. In fact, iron 2 is first converted into ferric trihalide, which further reacts with halogen molecule to produce a powerful electrophile as shown in the equations below. The halogenium ion thus attacks as a powerful electrophile on the electrons of benzene ring. First step, the halogenium ion attacks over the benzene ring and it is substituted as benzenoium ion. In the next step, benzenoium ion gets attacked by ferric tetrahalide and hydrogen out of it is being replaced. As a result, we get halobenzene. The addition product is not favorable because in its formation the characteristic stability of benzene is lost. The only possible product is the substitution product, in which the stability of benzene is retained. Therefore, the general pattern of chemical reactivity of benzene towards electrophile can be shown as follows. First, it gets attacked by electrophile and then the hydrogen gets replaced by any base so that substitution reaction occurs. Now, first reaction to be discussed is nitration. The introduction of nitro group in benzene ring is called nitration. Nitration of benzene takes place when it is heated with 1:1 mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid at 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. Sulfuric acid reacts with nitric acid to generate nitronium ion or NO2 plus ion. Mechanism: the generated nitrosonium ion reacts or attacks on the benzene ring, and then the hydrogen sulfate ion again attacks over the ring and replaces the hydrogen attached to it. As a result, nitrobenzene is being generated, as well illustrated in the equations. Second reaction to be discussed is sulfonation. The introduction of sulfonic acid group in benzene ring is called sulfonation. When benzene is treated with fuming sulfuric or concentrated sulfuric acid, it yields benzene sulfonic acid as shown in the equations. Of mechanism: first, sulfuric acid alone is used. Actual electrophile in this reaction is SO3. That SO3 then attacks over the benzene ring, and then hydrogen from the benzene ring is replaced by hydrogen sulfate. The 1 valency of benzene sulfonic acid is being supplied by hydroxonium ion. As a result, we get benzene sulfonic acid as the byproduct. The whole reaction is well illustrated in the diagram. Third reaction is halogenation. The introduction of halogen group in benzene ring is called halogenation. Benzene reacts with halogen in the presence of catalysts like ferric tribromide, aluminum tribromide, or aluminum trichloride, etc. Chlorination and bromination are normal reactions, but fluorination is too vigorous to control. Iodination gives poor yield, as shown in the equations. According to mechanism, the actual halogenating agent is any halogen ion, for example chlorine or bromine, formed by the following mechanism. The halogenium ion, such as chlorinium ion, attacks on the benzene ring, and then the hydrogen over the benzene ring is being replaced by ferric tetrachloride. As a result, we get HCl and ferric trichloride. When alkyl benzenes are treated with chlorine or bromine in the presence of sunlight, only the alkyl groups are substituted. In the first step, we get benzyl chloride, which then gets substituted, and as a result, we get benzyl chloride, and finally we get benzotrichloride. And in the last step, next reaction to be discussed is Friedel-Crafts reactions. The alkylation and acylation of benzene are called Friedel-Crafts reaction. In case of alkylation, the introduction of an alkyl group in the benzene ring takes place in the presence of an alkyl halide and a catalyst, that is aluminum trichloride, as shown in the equation. In case of mechanism, first alkyl chloride reacts with the catalyst. As a result, we get carbocation, which is our electrophile. The carbocation attacks on the benzene ring, and as a result, the hydrogen over benzene ring gets replaced by aluminum tetrachloride, as a result of which we get any of the alkyl benzene along with hydrochloric acid and the catalyst as a byproduct. In case of acylation, the introduction of an acyl group takes place in the benzene ring in the presence of an acyl halide and a catalyst such as aluminum trichloride, and gives us the Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now in this reaction, first the acyl group gets attacked on the benzene ring and the hydrogen over the benzene ring is being replaced by aluminum tetrachloride ion, as a result of which we get acyl benzene such as acetophenone and HCl as a byproduct. The catalyst is regained again as shown in the equations.
Students, I hope this video lecture was helpful to you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Candid Chemistry. Thank you.